Kyotechs offer you the C4.4 for E30GC, not GX. GX is a different, and we Tex is a GC, and we get from the warranty time, and we repair, and later we repair after we start for engine for you. And the after rebuild, the color is very good.